As we know, gratitude is the Ignatian way. Ignatius says when we open our hearts in gratitude, we spread that thanksgiving out to the wider world. And every year on this day, we give thanks for special milestones of service here at Fairfield Prep on our staff and faculty. This year, we honor 2 employees who have collectively dedicated over 45 years of service to Fairfield College Prep. First, for 20 years of service, this gifted and loyal educator has dedicated the majority of his professional career to Fairfield Prep and Jesuit education. In his early days as a lay leader, he joined a prep ministry team that consisted mostly of Jesuits. In his role as campus minister, he distinguished himself for his passion and boundless energy for formation, liturgy, service, and especially retreats. He has led hundreds of retreats at Fairfield Prep, including more than 70 kairos. Known for his loyalty to Ignatian spirituality and our way of proceeding, this brother has led across our nation, in our network, and in our global Jesuit ministries, particularly in El Salvador, Ecuador, and Jamaica, West Indies. He has led dozens in service immersion in the U.S. and abroad, to the University of Notre Dame, to Boston College, and accompanied our first delegation to witness a Jesuit Pope step foot on American soil in 2015 when they met Pope Francis. Always willing to walk the extra mile, this staff member stepped up and took on additional teaching duties in addition to ministry in COVID-19, all the while achieving his spiritual direction certificate at the Murphy Center for Ignatian Spirituality at Fairfield U. This member of our team can be found cheering on the Jesuits in all manner of contests, in all seasons, and works with our athletic teams, our coaches, our adults, and our board for Ignatian formation. A committed man for others, a proud prep father of 2 grads, a quintessential son of Ignatius and man for others, we celebrate our Dean of Mission and Ministry for 20 years, Mr. Elliott Guiltier, Mr. G. For 25 years of service. This prep staff member is a dedicated, amazing support to so many in our school, our faculty, our staff, our parents, and our boys. For 25 years, she has supported our leaders through good times and bad. For over 2 decades, she has maintained her hallowed place in Berkman's Hall, serving a total of 3 distinguished principals and their teams at Fairfield Prep. Serving as an assistant to Prep's principals and school teams, this wonderful professional keeps her cool while most around her are losing theirs. Hers is often the first voice that parents and guests hear when they call Prep. She is a constant and steady presence. There's hardly a thing that goes on behind the scenes that doesn't involve this person, right down to taking everyone's print jobs this morning. Always quick with a wry smile or a joke, she keeps a wonderfully balanced demeanor with humor and grace and calm under pressure. She is a proud grandmother, mother, and wife. She has thousands of honorary prep sons who have graduated since 2000, and she's a soul sister to many faculty and staff who stop by her desk for a treat or just to shoot the breeze and laugh about this day at Fairfield Prep. She does not like the spotlight, but she is so deserving of it today. For 25 years of service as a loving woman for others, we congratulate Administrative Assistant to the Principal, Mrs. Patty Veno.